Hello guys, how are you? Long time no see, yeah? So, I was just driving from Toronto to Regina. I'm in Ontario, driving north on Ontario 11. And just let me see where I am exactly. At Trout Creek. So I'm at Trout Creek area, in Trout Creek area. And what happened? I just got a message on my phone. That type of the message that you are receiving in emergency situations. And on that message said that careful, attention, danger. You are in a tornado area, take shelter, blah 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 blah. Take cover from the breeze and everything. A tornado might hit the area. And the truth is that in the last half an hour, although the temperatures were around 33 degrees Celsius, the winds intensified that I didn't knew what happens. So now I know what happens. Sorry, just 1 second. I know what happens. A tornado is in this area. So the sky looks not that nice, yeah. It's covered. The wind is blowing very strong. I hope I'm not going to meet that tornado. But the message was clear, and it was, like I said, that type of the message that you are receiving in emergency situations. It's just popping on the screen, and you can't just close the phone. You have to hit the OK button to close the message. So stay with me. Hopefully, I hope for my sake, I am not going to meet the tornado. Not many people on the road, like I said.